Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion key battery. First, locate the small release button or slot on your key fob. Press the button or insert a small flathead screwdriver into the slot. Carefully pry open the key fob casing, separating the two halves. Be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components. This initial step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment without causing any harm. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. This helps ensure you install the new battery correctly. Use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a tiny screwdriver, to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using excessive force. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly. Now it's time to install the new battery. Most Ford Fusion key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Carefully place the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Gently press down to ensure it is seated securely and makes proper contact. This step is vital for the key fob to function correctly. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Ensure there are no gaps. Finally, test the key fob's functionality with your Ford Fusion. Try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm the battery replacement was successful. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.